Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the font size in Gnucash. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll need to open the default installation folder of your Gnucash application. To do this, open your File Explorer on your computer. Once you have the File Explorer open, navigate to your Gnucash installation folder. This is where all the program files for Gnucash are stored and where we'll be making our adjustments. Within your Gnucash folder, look for a folder labeled etc and open it. This folder contains important configuration files that control various aspects of how Gnucash behaves and displays. Inside the etc folder, you'll need to locate another folder called GTK-3.0. Go ahead and open this folder as well. This is where the visual settings for Gnucash are managed. Now, within the GTK-3.0 folder, you'll see a file named Settings. Double-click on this file to open it. When you do, a text editor application will automatically launch, displaying the contents of the settings file. This is where you'll be able to make changes to the font size configuration. Here's where you'll add a specific line of command to control the font size. I'll be showing you the exact line you need to add, so feel free to pause the video to copy it accurately and ensure you get it right. This command tells Gnucash how large to display the text throughout the application. Once you've added the command line, look for the PT line within the text. Next to it, you'll see a numerical value. This number represents the current font size. To increase the font size, simply adjust this numerical value higher than the initial value. For example, if it's set to 10, you might change it to 12 or 14 depending on how much larger you want the text to appear. This gives you full control over making the interface more readable. After you've configured the font size to your preference, it's time to save your changes. Click on the File button at the top of your text editor window. A context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Save to apply your changes. Your new font size settings will now be stored in the configuration file. And that's it. You've successfully changed the font size in Gnucash by modifying the settings file directly. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.